This is my first case study. Subject time for system 2. Subject code is 3fully 1002. Case study 1 of for system 2. My name is Saiful Islam, Department Tripoli, Roll 4213, Batch 66B, Semester 9th. Submitted to MD Mohsin, Assistant Professor, Department of Tripoli, World University of Bangladesh. Now I read my first case study. Case study 1. Question number 1a. Write the expression for salt sack. Consider a conductor between two equal support A and B with 0 as the lowest point. Let L equal to length of span, W equal to weight per unit length of conductor, T equal to tension in the conductor. Consider a point P on the conductor taking the lowest point 0 as the origin. Let the coordinates of point P be x and y. Assume that the converter is so small that covered length is equal to its horizontal. The weight Wx of conductor acting at a distance x by 2 from 0. Number 2. The tension T acting at 0. Equating the moments of above two force about point 0, we get Ty equal to Wx into x by 2, y equal to Wx square by 2t. The maximum depth sag is requested by the value of y, x equal to L by 2 and y equal to sag equal to S equal to W into L by 2 whole square by 2t equal to WL square by 8t. S equal to WL square 8t. Hence, represents the slant sag in a distribution making a angle 0 to the partial. If no specific mention is made in the problem, then slant sag is calculated by using the formula S equal to WL square 80 equal to W and into WT length W theta. Hence W equal to weight for conductor per unit L. WW equal to weight force per unit L. Weight force per unit L. W2 equal to total weight conductor per unit length. The vertical sag equal to S cos theta when tan theta equal to W by W. Theta equal to tan inverse W by W. This is case study 1b. A three-phase transmission line has a span of 100 60 meter between level support. The conductor has a cross sectional area of 2 centimeter square. The tension in the conductor is 2096 kg. If the specific gravity of the conductor material is 9.9 gm by centimeter cube and weight pressure is 1.5 kg by meter, length calculate the sag. What is the vertical sag? Solution: span length L equal to 160 meter, working tension T equal to 2096 kg, wind force y meter, length of conductor WW equal to 1.5 kg, WT of conductor by m length, meter length, W equal to SP gravity into volume of 1 meter conductor. 9.9, this is calculation. SP gravity 9.9, volume of conductor 1 2 into 100 IMs by cm square into cm square into cm. Calculate for 1980 gm, 1.9 kg, gram meter by kg. Total weight of 1 meter, W square to 1.98 square and WW 1.5 square. This calculate 2.4 kg, 48 kg. Sag is equal to WT. This is law. Sag equal to WTL square by 80. WT by 2.48 and L square equal to 1.6 kg by 8 into 2 equal to 2096. Calculation 3.79 meter. This is the value of slant sag in a direction making an angle of theta with the vertical. Tan theta equal to WW by WW. This is 1.5 1.98 equal to 0.76. Theta equal to tan inverse bracket 0.76. This is calculation 3.7 by 0.23 degree. Vertical sag equal to S cos theta. S equal to S mean 3.79 cos theta. Theta equal to 3.7.23. This is calculation 3.017 meter.